All right, guys, just finished inventorying the wing kit. Missing some parts here. I sent in an email to the airplane factory to try to get the missing parts. Some were back ordered, some were just straight up missing. Some of the parts I'm missing: the wing hinge bracket on the left and right side, the long range fuel tank root rib for the left and right. I think those are both back ordered. Fuel tank overflow outside left, just one of those. Curtis fuel tank drain valve. I'm missing 4 of those. Those are back ordered as well. And then just straight up missing, there's 2 of them. The flap torque tube assembly that goes inside the wing, I only had 1. There's supposed to be 2. So that one's just straight up missing. It's not back ordered. It looks like a sub assembly that they put together in the factory. So got an email sent off, hoping to get those parts soon, and we'll continue on with the build. I deburred quite a few parts. They actually did a really good job deburring them, it looks like, already, so they're really good shape. I didn't really have to do much on the deburring part. But yeah, we'll get building, and thanks for tagging along. All right, guys, here we are. First step of the wing assembly. We're gonna assemble the wing root twist jig assembly. Basically, the first step is just to cleco everything together and rivet, and we'll go ahead and get that done. This is the left wing root jig. Oh, also, I left half of my filming stuff in Utah as well. I was just getting out of there, so I'm doing this with a cell phone right now. This is my right wing jig. It's cold outside, so cold and rainy. So I'm doing it in my living room right now. But next part of this video is we're going to do the wing tip twist jig assembly. So we'll go ahead and do that.